Get out of there, Evan. Get up. Come on, Mark. Get up. Up. Go, Benji, fast.
Go, Benji, go.
Just don't stop. Don't stop. Come on, Evan, get up. Spread out, Mark. There you go. Nice. Cross it.
Oh, that looked like it hurt.
Yeah. Heard that.
Yeah.
That shin guard on shin guard.
Yep. See, that's what the shin guards do.
Greg, get up. Charge the ball, you guys. You, Greg.
Nice.
Follow it.
Excellent.
Get back now, Greg. Back. Turn around, face the ball. Come on, Matthew. Come on, get back. Back, Nathan, in the middle, Nate. Get back. Come on, Nate.
No,
all the way, Nathan. All the way back. Good.
Take it up, Ed.
Guys, move. Come on. Go, Andrew. There you go. Follow it. It's yours still. Stay on it. Still yours. Come on. All right, Charlie. Cut him off, Andrew. Hit. Go, Andrew. It's yours. The team did play a lot better last week. Better positioning, better steps. A lot of pumping.
Get out. Yes. Yes, good.
Get in front of them. Let's go. Follow it. Hey, Nathan, look at number 6. Just standing there. Come on. Follow it. Hustle. Nathan, that's your guy. Stay there, Elliot. Stay there. Quick, give it to Elliot. Quick. Quickly, down the side. Good. Elliot, let him go. Get it, keep it in. Send it forward. Okay, send it.
Pass forward. There you go.
Matthew, get back. Benji, get back. Challenge it. Come on. Come on, Benji. Just watch. Come on. Challenge it. Go, Benj. Send it. Again. Get back, Greg. Get back, Greg. Get back. Greg, get back. Matthew, get up. Matthew, up. Get up. More Evan, get up. Evan, Matthew, get up. Move up. Good job. Good job.
Great try, Robbie.
Good work, Elliot. Keep going.
Go, send it.
Okay, Benji, don't stop. Benji, move. Benji.
Run at the ball. Andrew. Hey, Benji. Right. Here, Benji, towards us. You're on this side. Separate from Elliot, Benji. Right, right. Go Tillman. Whoa, there we go.
Good work.
On it. There you go.
Yeah, keep going. Good. Go, Benji.
Go, run.
Mark. Yep. Get up. Get up.
Stay in your position, Ben. Right side.
Get up. Go.
Keep going. That's it. Come on, Mark. Come on. Offside. Offside. Stop. Offside. Offside. Being offside is not breaking the rules. It's not until they actually get the ball. So they can be there as long as they don't interfere. Hey, James, good pass.
Elliot, what are you? Right mid, right defense, right defense.
Benji, stay on this side of the field. Stay, don't cross the center.
Down the line. Hey, Elliot. Better kick. Benji, back.
Let the other players do their job. Over here.
Great, back.
Get out there.
Get out of there. Clear it. Go. Go. Hustle, Ben. Derek Tillman. Run.
And I don't have to rush off.
Great. Keep going, Greg. Spread out, you guys. You're all clumped up. Good. Ben, keep on going. Don't.
Big kick.
Come on, someone get forward.
Okay, stay there, Ben. Stay.
Evan, stay there, Evan.
Ben, stay.
Nice. Stay on.
Down the line, keep going.
Go, follow it.
Get forward. Mark, keep it going, Mark. Okay.
Great. John, you let up.
Mark, get up there.
Matt, Mark.
Look, Mark, a little bit. Okay, you guys are way too close again. Spread out if you see white players. Okay?
Let it go. Okay.
Somebody get it. You're spread out, you guys. Too many white players bumped up.
That's it, Mark.
Evan, Tillman,
Over.
Come on,
Benji, go. Benji.
Benji, run all the way and cut it off.
Come on, James. Oh, shit.
Ben, follow it. Keep on going. Get him moving. Nice, Tillman.
Stay back, Elliot. Stay back. In the middle, boy. In the middle. Keep going.
There's nobody up there.
There we go. Great throw.
Benji, get up.
Stop, Ben. Stop. What?
Benji.
Bench.
Keep going. Towards Elliot. Keep going. Come on.
Follow it up.
Go, Mark. Good, Ben.
Go, Benji. Don't stop.
Good. Nice. Kick it out. Push out.
Keep going.